See Lindelof videos, AP Calculus, express an integral in terms of u. Here we have a definite integral here. However, I don't intend to evaluate this integral. All I want to do is put it in terms of u. So what I'm going to do here is this. I'm using u substitution. I'm going to choose and say I'm going to let u equal 4x squared plus 1. Look where that gets us just from a start. Okay, that gets us back to this thing here. We have 8x over 4x squared plus 1. Oh, no, we don't. Because we have a replacement value now, right? So we just have u squared down here at the bottom, don't we? Times dx. And this doesn't look great at first, but this cleans itself up so nicely when you are not able to integrate in another way. U substitution is a great way out of it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take du dx. I'm going to take the derivative of this thing, of u in terms of x. And if you see, that gives us 8x. Well, it's no accident, frankly, that this 8x and this 8x match. That's our goal here. So all I'm going to do here is solve for dx. And when you solve for dx, you're going to get that dx is equal to du over 8x. Let me show you what that's going to give us here, because our work here is almost done. This thing is in terms of x here, in terms of x here, in terms of u here. We need the whole thing in terms of u. So we need a replacement value. We need a replacement value for dx. And I'd like to have that replacement value in terms of u. So look, this dx is this dx. So we have a replacement value. It says dx is this value. So I can just take that value, and that is my intention here. I'm going to rewrite one more time and say that I intend to take the definite integral from -1 to 0 of 8x over u squared times dx, but dx is du over 8x. So hopefully you can see this, because this thing starts to work out really, really nicely. We have 8x in the denominator here, 8x in the numerator here. We can cross cancel, and finally we can get this thing in terms of u. My intention was never to integrate. I said that at the beginning, so I'm not going to resubstitute. I'm not doing any of that. I'm only showing you how to express this in terms of u. But we have 1 over u squared du. And this is integratable form. Of course, what I do now is I'd bring this up and say this is u to the -2nd power and do some work from here. But that was not my intention from the start, so this is that. So expressing an integral in terms of u. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Thanks.